discussing about how to use chats on your virtual presence or virtual classroom, virtual meeting, whatever you want to call it, right? So now, once you're in your virtual class or virtual meeting, you can have a chat directly with anybody. So you can have it. There's a public chat here. When you click on that, you can start talking with everyone. You can start talking with everyone at the same time. Everyone can be talking, be contributing, right? Then also, if you don't want to talk to everyone, you just want to send a chat to a particular person. It's very simple. All you just need to do is that go to the name of the person, click on the name of the person, and start private chat. So immediately you click on the name of the person and type private chat. So the person also will be able to see the chat, and whatever it is or whatever chat that goes on between the two of you, it's only the two of you that will be seeing this chat. All other people will not see this chat. So because you're chatting with this person, it's going to be listed down here. You can chat with as many as possible, and it's going to be listed here, right? But all chat that goes in here remains private between the two of you. So if you have anything you want to discuss to the public, you can go back to the public chat. Then you can start talking to the chat. So this is how to use the chat in BaseConverge virtual classroom or virtual presence.